Welcome back to another video. I'm so glad we're still posting. And I'm glad we have this information because the government shut down. I should start off with that. Because we will still be able to be giving information because the information from where I get it, it's the National Weather Service. They are considered important and necessary, so we still get data. So let's start off with our temperature outlook. I hate how it makes me look like I'm looking down. I'm not. I'm looking right at the camera. But generally speaking, we're looking at above normal temperatures again throughout much of the country. I don't think there's a single area that's below normal for tomorrow through the 10th. And then in terms of precipitation, we have normal precipitation, near normal. So we are expecting a little bit of rain. But then, I have to talk about the fall. It's still 90 degrees. It was like 94 a couple days ago. But we are starting to get kind of more color. It's low color. Now, all of these little blue boxes, those are special weather statements for fire weather that will be occurring just today, Sunday. Just today, I believe. They have not, I don't think any office, no office has it extended longer, and Milwaukee doesn't even have it. In terms of temperatures, I do want to show you the map just because it does get a little more iffy. That's the word you'd like to use. I hate how it makes me look like I'm looking down. I'm looking right at the camera. But it's kind of more not, it's a little wrong. And you'll see why in a minute. This is today. Yes, it starts tomorrow. 79 tomorrow in Chicago. 60s in like Davenport areas. In Milwaukee, you might see 60s, middle 70s. You do see it cools off. So when we think of above normal temperatures, we'd probably be thinking summer, like upper 70s, low 80s. But we do get 60s. So generally speaking, and then we kind of start coming back up. And if I continue to do it, you see we get back up. But generally speaking, it's not going to be too hot to where we normally would expect that. Like we'd expect it very hot. Also in terms of general precipitation, there's a good corridor here of higher rainfall, and even here that you could call that slightly higher, but that's about normal rain. That's more rain than we've actually seen. And when will it rain? When's it gonna rain? That's a great question. It's gonna rain tomorrow into Tuesday. This is 7 p.m. As you can see in Iowa, it's tomorrow. Even tonight into tomorrow. But in order to get a more accurate in terms of that, we need this model. So, yeah, you see it approaching in from Iowa. Some little rain blips start showing up overnight. Kind of dissipates to form again. It's not supposed to be severe, though. So, yeah, it's weak Cape. Not enough for any significant severe weather. Though maybe, the Storm Prediction Center hasn't said we're going to see any severe weather. Although sometimes they hold back on it until, like, we know there's going to be severe weather. So sometimes they do hold off. But checking their maps, which, yeah, no severe. So, yeah. That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Next week, I do plan to have my La Nina forecast. I don't know how the government shutdown will affect the La Nina forecast because it's also still issued by the Climate Prediction Center. They still do the temperature outlooks, but I'm not too sure on the La Nina outlooks, as I just said. So if we don't have the La Nina forecast, then I will just post a normal forecast Please consider subscribing. As you know, we have 10 days left until our 65 subscriber goal. We have 56. I think we can do it.